Welcome back for more of the review for Chapter 4 test. So we're working on this review here, and this video is going to be over problems 11, 12, and 13. And they are solving problems that are in exponential form. And so what we need to do is rewrite, this is base 7 to the 3x, and this is base 49 to the 4x plus 5. If we can get them to the same base, then we can just compare their 3x and 4x plus 5. So what we can do here is we can see that 49 can also be rewritten as 7 squared. And so when we do that, this just becomes 2 times the 4x plus 5. And then we have both bases of 7. So now that we have both bases of 7, we can just compare 3x and 2 times 4x plus 5 and solve for x from there. So I'm going to distribute my 2 on the right to be 8x plus 10. I'm then going to subtract 8x from both sides. And then when I divide by a negative 5, we get x equals a negative 2. Question number 12 is asking us to solve 3 to the 2x equals 23.1. So we need to solve for x. So I can either take the log of both sides or the natural log of both sides. And so I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So if I take the natural log here, 2x comes down in front. Take the natural log there. I'm going to worry about evaluating the natural logs here in just a moment. So I'm trying to solve for x. That means I can divide by 2 and the natural log of 3, and divide by 2 and the natural log of 3. And so x will be equal to this on the right-hand side. And let's just go to Desmos momentarily to find that. And so we can take the natural log of 23.1 and divide by 2 times the natural log of 3. So you can just type in ln and it knows it's a natural log. And so though that rounded answer is equal to 1.4290 when we round to 4 decimal places. Okay, question number 13 says, solve 4e to the 3x plus 2 equals 10. So we're trying to solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And then to get to this x, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So the natural log of e, and that will bring the 3x down here, and then I'll have the natural log of 2. And then the natural log of e makes 1. And then we just have to divide by 3 on both sides. So in Desmos, we can do the natural log of 2 divided by 3. And that comes out to be 0.2310. And catch me back for the next few problems where we're going to solve some other natural log and log properties. Equations.